made it. We're in La Paz. We got the bikes. We just made it out of La Paz and we're going into terrible weather. Wait. I haven't actually told you what our plan was. So let's back up for a minute. Our idea was to buy some small engine motorbikes, do a lap across the country of Bolivia, and sell the bikes and move on to Peru. Sounds simple, right? Okay, let's go back to the story. So after coming down from plus 4,000 meters, we're here. So we're on that road right now. Wow. The road was crazy, but it was fun. And yeah, now we just need to find a place to sleep.
Come to a time in which we think we have to announce the name of our bikes. Mine, this one, is called Teresita.
Yeah, this is Teresita, and this is my one. This is Nuna. And yeah, they'll be our girlfriends for the trip. Look at these views. We just had our first flat tire. We're about to do 220 kilometers at night. So we're just getting ready for a very, very, very cold night. Really, really, really cold. It's like minus something. I still got another hour and a half at least. A lot of suffering tonight. We're trying to find a place to sleep. And then we also need to find a place to park the bikes because we can't just leave them on the street. I don't know what this chicken wants. Stupid chicken. Isn't that the ugliest chicken you've ever seen? The bikes are just so slow. Like 80 kilometers per hour, doing 400 kilometers. It's literally like straight. That's it.
It's pretty warm now, thank God.
Dying. The air is so thin. You walk like 100 meters and you're out of breath. Jaco's really ill today. He's in bed and I'm just doing a checkup on the bikes. And I came to this train wreck. It looks amazing. So we're stuck in a uni. Es un puto yak! Hem na? Oh. Perché? Crack. Peace out. I don't know what this place is, but it's so cool. It's grass and then it goes straight into sand dune. See the flamingos over there. just buying some dynamite.
It's gonna be a fun ride. I'll come. I'll take it.
I've got live dynamite. Whoa! That was sick.
We made it.
We're on our way to Sucre. I think today it's 170 kilometers. Should be good. Recta, izquierda y derecha. ¿El qué? No hay gasolina. So we've been at this fuel stop for like 20 minutes. They don't want to serve us fuel because we're not Bolivian. On our way to Sucre, found some Bolivian people partying. So it's crazy how once you go 1,000 meters down, now we're at 3,000 meters. The air is like soup, it's really thick. So yeah, we're just looking at dinosaur footprints.
Imagine size.
So we're just leaving Sucre and we're on our way to Che Guevara's route. We don't know where that will take us, we don't know where we're going to sleep tonight, but we'll just keep on going and see where we get to. We just found this like abandoned train station. You can still see the tracks.
We just arrived at some kind of village and we found a hostel, if you can call it that. We've got a friend living with us. He's called Lorenzo.
So we're just doing Che Guevara's route. We left the tarmac about 200 kilometers ago. 2 days ago it was snowing, now it's insanely hot.
So we were just talking to a woman and she told us she met Che Guevara.
Ayudaban, lo mataban. Y aquí dice antes de ser fusilado.
¿Antes?
Antes. Vivo está pues. Eso es.
So we had a little friend come visit my bag. Ugh.
Morning.
So we stayed with a very nice French couple and now we're gonna give them a ride up to the nearest main road so they can hitch a ride. Today, Teresita wasn't working very well. We don't know what the problem is, so we're just gonna take it apart.
Suddenly this truck comes along way too fast, drifting and nearly hits me. I had to come off the road.
Let's go everywhere. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
¿Estás bien? ¿Estás mal?
No.
Probably one of the most dangerous roads we've been on. We can't see anything with our visors because it rains and then dust gets all over it. So you have to ride with the visor up and you still get all the wind in your face so you can't see anything. Probably the worst afternoon / night we're having so far. Our eyes are like destroyed. We're super tired. Still got about 70 kilometers to go. We just have to keep going. We've been riding, super cold, not fun. we are just completely destroyed, and we made it to this beautiful town. It's a colonial town, but all the hotels are booked. So we're just trying to find a place to sleep. Today's been absolutely horrible. We luckily found this old woman who said she could find a room for us. To finish off the day, dog, and it bit me, so I started bleeding in my hand, and it's quite painful. But oh well, another day. Good morning, so we're just leaving this house we stayed at. So since it's Sunday, I guess it's race day.
¿Quieres correr en el senior?
En el senior puedes correr.
Sí? We have been invited to take a race, and we'll race a little bit. So what was supposed to be just like a small race, you know, just have a bit of fun, it's actually turned quite serious. They call me El Gringo. I'm really scared.
Get with this.
Hemos visto que había este circuito tan bonito y hemos decidido obviamente parar. Muchísimas gracias.
Bueno, Alex, en nombre de toda la junta vecinal de la organización.
So the race is finished. Oh, I was first at one point, I ended up getting third.
He's treated like a hero now. We've
I
been
know.
invited back.
Last day, we're just loading up the bikes. 220 kilometers and then we're done. Super boring. It's just straight. You can't even see the end of that straight. Or that end.
No one paid attention to you when you cried out for help and request for your passionate spark.
Yes! 3,000 kilometers done. Now, Peru. We're in Copacabana now, and tomorrow we're off to Peru. Woo. We're now crossing the Bolivian-Peru border. We just got our stamps. That dude looks super dead. He's been there for about 3 hours and he hasn't moved.
I knew that I'd see you,
We're just leaving Cusco and we're on our way to Machu Picchu.
and I forgot all of those things you do.
We have just begun our 10-kilometer trek to Machu Picchu. Up there.
Gazing on.
So it's 4 in the morning and we're at the queue for Machu Picchu.
So we'll talk of the things you do, and so you'll do.
So we came to Machu Picchu and we obviously had to do a mandatory flip for no reason, but here goes Jacob.
Take me down another side street.
Oh, it's freezing!
Still locked just the same.
Ow!
What we had,
Yeah, so we just got a flat tire, which sucks. We still got like 5 hours to go.
What time was it when the whole world stopped? So you won't be lonely for a while.
Listo.
About to drop in. Look at that. Best pow in the world. Made it to Lima, the last stop. We are gonna go surfing today. So we've driven about 40 minutes away from Lima and we're about to go enduro with the sand dunes and stuff and mountains.